few years ago, Kalima started knocking at my door also. So I've got these three. Everybody is coming and knocking at the door. I welcome each energy, every energy. These are all energies. They manifest in all of us, they manifest all around. I think that for most Westerners, India is very mysterious and very frightening.
Okay.
For me, it was the West. I came there and I was like, these people are crazy. It's home. मेरा घर है. भारत मेरा घर है.
नमस्ते, ये प्रयागराज महाकुंभ का जूना अखाड़ा है। जूना अखाड़ा एक शैव अखाड़ा है जो 13 अखाड़े हैं सनातन परंपरा में। उसमें एक बहुत ज्यादा प्रसिद्ध कोई अखाड़ा है तो वो जूना अखाड़ा है। मैं जूना अखाड़ा में आया था यहाँ की परंपरा को समझने के लिए और किस किस तरह के लोग आए हैं वो आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए। और कोइंसिडेंटली मुझे यहाँ पर 2 महाजन मिले और मेरी दिलचस्पी जगी कि मैं इनसे बात करूं। मे आई गेट योर नेम प्लीज?
मेरा नाम सरस्वती है.
आपका नाम सरस्वती है, आपका?
ओलिवर.
ओलिवर,
माफ करिए, हर हर महादेव.
ऑलराइट, ठीक है। तो आप हिंदी समझ लेती हैं लेकिन बोल नहीं पाती हैं?
His Hindi is better than mine,
All right.
but he has no more voice.
That's fine.
We were singing too much Har Har Mahadev this morning, too loud.
ठीक है, तो वी विल कीप इट बाइलिंगुअल। अभी इनकी जो पोशाक है वो आपको मराठी नजर आएगी। मैंने इनसे पूछा तो शी टोल्ड मी कि ये महाराष्ट्र में पली बड़ी है। प्लीज लेट मी नो अ बिट अबाउट योरसेल्फ। यस, या दैट्स अ बेटर वे टू शो इट, राइट?
That's
yes.
very comfortable, dhoti style.
Yes. So how come you've been here? Tell me about your.
Our long-time friend is Babaji from Juna Akhara.
Okay.
So a couple of years ago, he said, Saraswati, you're coming to the Kumbh Mela. Okay. So we came this morning. We had the Shahi Snan. We went with the Naga Babas. It was incredible.
All right.
It was incredible.
And it was a Amrit Snan today because it's Vasant Panchami.
It was Vasant Panchami.
And your name is Saraswati as well. Wow, that's such a coincidence.
My daughter turned 16 today.
All right.
She was there also.
She's there as well? Okay.
It was, aligned.
It was aligned. You had a great experience. Yes.
Ah, yes, it was. It was.
Saraswati, I would like to know actually because you just told me that you've been moving around the planet.
Ah.
You're from France, but you grew up in Maharashtra.
Well, I'm not from France.
All right.
I am living in France now, but I did grow up in Maharashtra. I arrived, I was 3 months old. I left, I was 12 years old.
Okay.
Grew up with Swami Muktananda Paramahamsa in Ganeshpuri, disciple of Bade Baba,
All right.
Nityananda. So, my home is India.
Your home is
My
India.
home is India, and I'm living abroad.
You're living around. That's
Basically, I'm a non-resident Indian.
right. So now you've adopted Sanatan, or you're more interested in knowing
I
Sanatan?
grew up in Sanatan. I'm Hindu born.
You're Hindu born.
Yeah.
You grew up in Sanatan.
Yes.
What did you like most about it?
Advaita Vedanta.
Advaita
And
Vedanta.
this is what I do now. I teach Advaita Vedanta. I teach philosophy. I teach Puranas,
Oh, really?
Vedanta. Yeah.
So would you like to teach me something about Advaita Vedanta?
There is nothing that you need to know.
Oh, really?
Sab ek hai. There's
Sab
no
ek
difference
hai.
anywhere.
Yeah. So each and every soul, we are all
Everything is exactly the same. Whatever difference you see, it's a projection of our own minds. You think you're a man, I might think I'm a woman.
Yeah.
This is just what we think.
our perspective of looking at the world. All right.
Completely.
तो अभी आपको यहाँ पे you just told me 30 तारीख से आपको what good did you find here in Mahakumbh? How was your experience till now? Tell me, except for the fact that you did Amrit Snan today.
It is really nice because you often cross the paths of Babajis, but you have to go to where they are. At Mahakumbh, they're everywhere. So we are staying with the Juna Akhada,
Okay.
and I met some new friends. It's just that, Mere Baba was always saying, keep good company.
Okay.
And you're keeping the company of saints. And you're keeping the company of
What
saints.
better company than you can have?
What
I mean,
better company?
Tell me about your parents. How come did you ended up growing up in Maharashtra and
They were seekers. They wanted to learn about meditation. They wanted to learn about yoga. But back in the day, this is early 70s,
all right?
there was maybe about 10 books translated into English.
Yes.
They read everything. There were no yoga centers everywhere. You had to come to the Sangam. You had to come to the source. So they came to India, and miracles happened. And they found where they were being waited for.
Yes.
And I came along a little while later. Hello.
All right. That's so. Did you also get to know about Sanatan from her, or you were also interested in Sanatan and all of this?
I
You lost your voice. Yes, I
sorry
know.
for my voice.
Would you like to speak for it?
Oh, of
Yes.
course.
मैं इंडिया में 20 साल से यात्रा बना हूँ 2004 से
2004 से आप आते हो
हाँ।
जाते हो लाइक
जी
ओके
yeah it was a dream from my childhood to come to India.
इट वाज
It
अ
wa-
ड्रीम ओके
yes, I was always attracted
या
to India, its mystery, its wisdom, its essence, but I was afraid, I guess. One day I traveled to India
यस
and it was beautiful. I came for 2 months, I stayed 6 months. Then I was losing the tickets, so I have to go back. No paisa this time. And now maybe I came like 15 or 20 times. I'm a photographer. I published a book about Sadhu Baba
ओके
between 2009 and 2011. In 2011, I did a paddle yatra in the Himalaya also because I wanted to travel. Paddle yatra चाहिए.
Okay.
ये Sadhu Baba के marg, the same way they walk.
उसी पे आप हाँ
Yes, same experience. And it's a love story that never ends actually.
ऑलराइट
And today, for the first time, I took my Asnan.
हाँ the Shahi Snan you did yes
That's why I don't
with
have
the
any
daughter
voice.
as well yes.
It was a beautiful experience. I was so happy like a child actually.
We being Indians, we usually talk about the diversity our country has and the kind of people we have, the kind of cultures we have. What did you observe about India? Does the diversity attracts you, attracts people abroad? I haven't spoken to a lot of people here who are from abroad.
I think that for most Westerners, India is very mysterious and very frightening.
Okay.
For me, it was the West. I came there and I was like, these people are crazy.
When you went back to
When I
yeah.
went for the first time to the West, I was
Yes.
like, oh,
It
why
was-
are they all so stressed? Life is simple.
Yes.
You know, you have a situation, you can do something, you do
Right.
it. You cannot do anything, don't do.
Right.
You know, Bhagwan provides. But yeah, for me, it's so much simpler here. So much
The life
simpler.
is simpler.
Life is simple.
Which Hindu sculpture do you follow for such learnings? Do you usually follow Bhagavad Gita or you tend to learn because the Shaiva Akhada it is.
Yeah,
So
I know, but
Are
this
you
is an
leaning towards
Advaita.
Bhagwan
This
Shiva
is
or-
also an Advaita Akhada.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
that-
it is. Yes.
So,
Tell me
I-
which god do you follow?
oy,
Is there a
that's
tough
going
question?
to be
Did
a
I-
plural.
Yes.
From baby, I was in love with Krishna because he's a tease. He's fun. He's a prankster.
yes.
So as a little girl, it was always Krishna, 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 Krishna.
Hmm.
But as an adult, Shiva has been knocking at my door very often. So whenever transformation comes, I'm like, oh, Shivaji, here you are. Okay. And a few years ago, Kali Ma started knocking at my door also. So
Alright.
I've got these three. Everybody is coming and knocking at the door. I welcome each energy, every energy. These are all energies. They manifest in all of us. They manifest all around. Our
Right.
energies. They
Yeah,
are
energies.
everywhere.
Multiple forms. Yeah. Yes.
Everywhere,
What,
all the
what are your
time.
plans ahead? How long are you going to be here? And
No idea.
All right.
No idea. Maybe a few more days, maybe a few more weeks. We don't know. We
But-
will be celebrating Mahashivratri in Varanasi again.
All right.
Yeah.
On 26th, you'll be
Ha, ha,
celebrating
ha, ha,
Mahashivratri.
ha.
It's going to be a huge crowd there as well.
It is already apparently.
Yeah.
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 But I mean, come on. What is a little crowd of a couple of million people
Obviously,
in one
it is.
street?
Yes, obviously. But you seem like you've been enjoying here, obviously.
Yes.
Haven't you?
Yes. It's home.
It
मेरा
is.
घर है. Bharat मेरा घर है.
चलिए, but thank you so much for speaking. Great speaking to you. Thanks, Oliver. Namaste. Namaste.
Har Mahadev.
हाय यार महादेव डू टेक केयर ये देखिए सुंदर कहानियां और ये महाकुंभ है महाकुंभ एक ऐसा आयोजन जहां पर ना सिर्फ हमारे देश की संस्कृति से आप रूबरू हो सकते हैं लेकिन आप उन लोगों से भी मिलते हैं सरस्वती जैसे लोगों से आप देखते हैं इधर सेल्फी लेते हुए लोग नजर आएंगे जो वेस्टर्न कल्चर को भारत के कल्चर से कम आंकते हैं ये बताते हैं कि किस तरीके से वेस्ट का जो कल्चर है हालांकि दिस डिबेट मे नॉट मेक अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस बहुत ज्यादा इसमें रेलेवेंस आपको शायद ना नजर आए लेकिन ये हमारे देश की डाइवर्सिटी का और हमारे देश के कल्चर का ही एक जीता जाता उदाहरण है कि फ्रांस की एक महिला जो महाराष्ट्र में पली बड़ी हुई आज मराठी साड़ी पहनकर महाकुंभ के प्रयागराज में आपको अपने पति के साथ अमृत स्नान करती हुई जूना अखाड़ा में रहती हुई अद्वैत का ज्ञान अर्जित करने के बाद उस ज्ञान को एक दूसरे तक फैलाने की कोशिश करती हुई और तो और अपनी 16 साल की बेटी को भी वो इस परंपरा में अब शामिल करवा रही हैं तो एक भारतीय के तौर पे आप सबके लिए, मेरे लिए ये गर्व की बात हो सकती है कि हमारी परंपरा जो है अब वैश्विक स्तर पर रिकॉग्नाइज की जा रही है, और इस तरह के आयोजन, जो महाकुंभ के आयोजन होते हैं, ये इस परंपरा को और सुदृढ़ बनाते हैं। जूना अखाड़ा से फिलहाल मैं आपसे इस वीडियो में विदा ले रहा हूँ। कैमरा पर्सन अनूप कुमार के साथ मुझे स्टोरी के लिए आशीष शर्मा।